Today we're going to be melting 10 Hershey Kisses in the microwave. So, as you can see, we have 10 Hershey Kisses here. So, now let's see how it goes in 2 minutes. And start. So, what I would recommend is to just skip forward 2 minutes in the video because you don't want to be seeing this. We are back now and we have 15 seconds to go, and then we can see what happens if you melt 10 Hershey Kisses in the microwave for 2 minutes, okay? So see, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see if it actually worked. So, we have to go longer, I guess.
Dude.
Let's just go ahead and do a test. It's getting there, but we can't like do that, you know? So we're gonna put this right there. Safety comes first. And then if I can do this, hopefully I won't be able to. Let's close it up. Should we try 3 minutes or 2 minutes? What do you recommend? 2 minutes it is. So we will press that, 0, 0, and start. So now we are just going to wait, and I will be back when it is over. Well, we are back, and let's see if it has melted. I hear popping. Can you help me? This is hard. Yeah, okay, I need help.
Okay, wait.
So, we have help from a professional. Ooh, it smells like marshmallows, kind of.
Like burning.
Yeah. Oh my god, this went horribly wrong.
It smells like...
It's burnt. Well, this is what happens if you cook it for 4 minutes.
Uh-oh. That's burned.
So, let's see if we can...
You know what you should have done with? Maybe milk?
Let's get some milk.
It's too late. It's too late now. Okay, next time you try it with something else. Because now that's definitely not working. Okay?
Oh!
Disgusting. Bye-bye.
Well, that concludes today with seeing what happens if you put 10 Hershey Kisses in a microwave. Bye.